Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering and connecting correctly. Plug the Canon G3010 into a stable outlet and Ethernet to your PC. Once connected, open a browser and go to the router IP. Log in with the admin credentials so you can change settings. If you can't reach the page, make sure your PC is set to obtain an IP automatically and try pinging 192.168.1.1 to confirm connectivity. Having the defaults or your saved login ready speeds the reset process. You will now perform the factory reset itself. Physically, press and hold the recessed reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until LEDs blink. This forces the router to erase settings. Alternatively, once logged into the web interface, navigate to System, then Backup or Restore, and trigger Factory Reset to accomplish the same result. After initiating reset, wait patiently for the complete reboot. Interrupting power can corrupt firmware and leave the device unresponsive. Once the G3010 finishes rebooting, you'll log in with default credentials and reconfigure your ISP and wireless settings. Make sure to set a strong WPA2 password and change the admin password immediately. If you restored a saved configuration, verify WAN connectivity and DNS to confirm internet access. If the router remains unreachable, try a full 30-30-30 reset or reflash the firmware using a recovery tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.